Variables are the foundation of scalable design systems. Instead of applying a hex code or font stack directly to each element, you can now define color and font variables and reuse them across your entire site. Think of variables as the evolution of global styles from v3, now fully integrated with v4, assignable through a simple icon in the control panel, and designed to work with classes. Variables define the value, while classes define the scope. Let's see how this works. Here, I have a heading element. Instead of setting a hex value, I'll hover over the color control, click the variable icon, and create a new color variable called blue yonder. I can now use this variable across other elements and classes on my site. Now, I'll assign this variable to one of my classes. That class controls other styles too, like font family, font size, and padding. But I can also create a variable for my font family and call it headings as well. So the variable defines my font family value, but all my other text styles like font size, weight, or case sentence are defined in the class. Later on, if the brand colors change, I simply update my variable and the change is reflected across every element and class using it. No hunting, no manual overrides.